everyone. By the way, I am the next reporter of the next module, which is problem solving and creativity. In this module, challenge yourself to attain the following learning outcomes. First, explain the 4 criteria of creativity by Torrance. 2, practice creative thinking. 3, apply problem solving. So, first, ato sa ilailahon itong kinsa sa Edward O. Torrance. Edward O. Torrance, known as the father of creativity, was a professor of educational psychology at the University of Georgia for many years. His consuming interest was creativity, how it could be measured, and how educators could help students to develop it. Although his manifesto to children may be helpful to individuals of all ages who want to increase their creativity. It's been thinking particularly about how teachers of young children can use these guidelines to help their students develop and expand natural creativity. So, problem solving and creativity go hand in hand. We need to be creative in order to solve a problem. It is unfortunate that these are not adequate thought in a classroom. So, problem solving, there are Torrance creativity framework. There are 4 criteria of creativity, which is the frequency, flexibility, elaboration, and originality. So, ako na yung sa isang karon of discuss. So, let's discuss the creative problem solving or CPS, then the 6 stages of CPC. Torrance frameworks for creative thinking. So, when we say creative thinking and problem solving. So problem solving refers to the process of finding solution to complex or difficult issues. It involves identifying the problem, analyzing it, and develop effective strategy to overcome it. Problem solving requires critical thinking, logical reasoning, and creativity. So, creativity, on the other hand, refers to the ability to generate unique and original ideas, solutions, or expressions. It involves thinking outside the box, breaking conventional patterns, and coming up with innovative approaches. Creativity can be applied in various domains such as arts, science, technology, and business. A common framework for creative thinking process is described by Torrance in 1979. Each aspect is defined below as law with ways to facilitate the respective aspects by using keywords and applications activity. So first, S, fluency. Fluency refers to the productions of a great numbers of ideas or alternate solution to a problem. Fluency implies understanding, just not remembering information that is learned. So fluency is the ability to express oneself effortless and smoothly in a particular language skills. It implies a level of high proficiency and ease in using language or skills without hesitation and stumbling. So, kining fluency for kaning mo na siyang mga bata ay kanang naang dyan mahitabo diri sa akuan nga fluency kayo. Imagine a person learning a first language, ibutang na itong English. So, initially, they struggling with vocabulary English. So, sa grade schools na to, so maglisod ba tagis ko ay kanang mag-learn of English, how to speak English fluency. So, first, imong buhaton kay kuan kanang they often post kanang mag-research kag mga new ideas about those language nga imo siyang i-research to apply how to communicate that word and how to communicate by using that word. By finding that word kanang imo na siyang ma-apply sa imong pag-istorya bitaw. So fluency kanang like for example kanang usa ka teacher kanang gapadiscuss gapa-report or gapa-discuss isa ka student. So fluency na ay ang isa ka estudyante kay kanang unique bitaw kayang pa-explain kanang walay sabit-sabit ang iyang pag-story of English. Fluency kanang padayon wala siya nag-struggle o unsa ay kanang unsa na nga word unsa niya paggamit kanang arrange na bitaw siya kaayo tanan. Yes. In that context of language, fluency is often associated with speaking or writing without pause. So, moto kung gingon without pause nga, mo straight to the point nga, kanang nindot kayang pagka-storya. Searching words or grammatical errors, a fluent speaker for communicate ideas and to effective with natural flows. So, fluency kay dili lang pud sa kanang pag written or kanang pwede po siya ma-apply sa written. For example, in written, di pagsulat pag-essay. So, kanang fluency kay they can cite more, they have elaborate kinyag tarong kanang gisay niya tanang example, kanang indot na kayang pagkahatag hanay tanan. So, inagpas niya sa maestra kanang murag ma-impress ang maestra kay fluence kayang niyang buhat. Next is flexibility. Flexibility refers to the production of ideas that shows a variety of possibilities, a realm or thought. It involves the ability to see things from different points of view, to use many different approaches or strategies. So, flexibility is ability to adapt, adjust, or change and responsible to new changing circumstances. It involves being open-minded, adaptable, and willing to consider alternative perspectives and approaches. Flexibility is important trait that allows individuals to navigate through various situations, challenge, and opportunities effectively. So, for example, a group of people with tight deadline and unexpected project. So, in a business, ipatagan silang business. So, once of the flexibility sa ilang sa kanang mga trabahante kay kanang ilang boss kay di pa sila project. So, na-change ang kanang flow bitaw sa ilang project. So, with that certain problem, kanang certain nga kanang mga tao kanang flexible sila ba kanang dali sila makakamapud ay siguro dili ni ani kanina ko datong buhaton ingon anion pagbuhat nga kanang dali kita makamat silang man nga kanang murag dali bitaw nila makuha dayon unsa nga point nga gipakuha sa ilahang yes. Next is elaboration. Elaboration is a process of enhancing ideas by providing more details, additional details, and clarity, improve interest and understanding of the topic. So, nasa keywords: appraise, critique, determine, evaluate, grade, judge, measure, and select, test. So, elaboration is a process of providing details and comprehensive explanations, examples, or supporting information to enhance understanding and clarity. It involves expanding on a concept, idea, or arguments to provide additional context, depth, and specificity. So when we say kanang elaboration, for example, na ay kanang in our discussion or in our assignments or kanang sa atong mga essay nga ipabuhat. So, naagi mga students sa itong, for example, sa atong entrance exam, there is a kay ipabuhat man yung tag kanang essay daan. So, kinanay for butang nato nga isa ka student nga i-question siya. So, ang iyang kauban kay mubo na kayo. Siya kay gi-elaborate yun niya, yung gi-interpret unsa na siya unsay sulod sa iyang dipin man gid unsay sulod ana ikan sa from that up yung gi-specify tanan with all kanang important thing nga unsay sulod ana nga with that question. So, elaborate nagkuan siya kanang nag-cite siya mga example kanang mga gikan sa deep ay gikan sa kuan sa sa kanang kinaibagwan hangtod sa kailalaman karon, clarity nag-whole na jud tanan kanang impact na tanan kanang nindot na kay siya kagkuan mo na siya elaboration. The last one is next is originality. Originality improves the production of ideas that are unique or unusual. It involves synthesis or putting information about a topic back together in a new way. So, yung keywords kay compose, create, design, generate, integrate, modify, rearrange, reconstruct, reorganize, and revise. So, from the word originality, so, kuan, original yun, nga, your imong own nga, kuan. So, also, originality refers to the quality of being unique, novel, and creative. It's the ability to produce ideas, concepts, or expressions that are distinct are not driven from the source of conventional patterns. Originality involves thinking outside the box, breaking away from traditional or mainstream ideas that offering fresh perspectives or solutions. So, for example, we are proud of Filipinos sa atuang arts. So, atong mga arts kay atuan yung gina-express how Filipino mubuhat sa atuang mga traditions nga sa atong arts, sa designs, sa atuang mga sa literature. So, sa atuang yung gikan without kuan nga atuang own design, atuang own nga gikan na siya nga projects. Next is creative problem solving. Creative problem solving is an international process for solving problems and discover opportunities. It is exposed the use of creativity in owning up with solutions which are not only novels but practical as well. So, mo na to akong gihong ganin ha. Without creativity, you cannot resolve the problem. So, kung natay problema, so, wag agi sa steps how to solve that certain problem. It exposed the use of creativity in owning up with solutions that are not only novel but practical as well. In the 1950s, Alex Osborne described this process in his books, Applied Imaginations. Osborne opened the process in the problem domains, which means anyone can use it. Over the years, countless people have utilized the CPS in various find endeavors. Osborne checklist, the origin of the classified brainstorming is the root of creativity, problem solving, or creative process. There are a variety of generate structures, describe a problem, generate possible solution, select and implement the bit, which can be found extensively in several different academic traditions. In its most extended and formalized form, it has 6 stages shown below. Each is divergent and convergent phase. However, more recent publications seem more interested in focus of process and techniques used with less weight or full elaboration in this structure. So, there are 6 stages of Osborne. The following base of Van Gundy 1980s descriptions is very brief skeleton as very rich process, showing its full 6 stages. So the first stages is mess finding. Synthesis yourself, scan and search. For use, challenge opportunities that need to be tackled. So they have divergent and convergent. Divergent techniques include wouldn't be nice if or with me, and wouldn't it be awful or be bad. Brainstorming to identify, describe, overcome, and obstacles to be overcome. Convergent techniques include the identifications of hotspots, expressed as a list of, and selections in terms of the ownership criteria. So mess finding is a concept that is closely related to the creative problem solving and is essential steps in the process of identifying and defining problems. So mess finding involves recognizing and understanding the complex and ambiguous situations and issues we need to address. So, in our sa ang maganda ka na for example mess finding maganda ka news. So, na kay agian nga system thinking. So, mag-adapt ka with system thinking, stakeholders analysis, data collection, or problem framing. So, mag-adapt ka news ka nang maato ka dito sa news. So, imagine lang ibalo nga ma-apply din nato dalang what, when, ha, katong kuan sa kato.
What, when.
So, ma-apply din mo ha, ngano, kanusta, nga without certain problem, ngano nahitabo, that is mess problem. Mess finding rather. So, next is data finding. Gathered information about the topic. Divergent techniques include 5 WH, who, why, what, when, and where, and how. So, mo ito mag-ingon ganiha. So, unlisting the one source and data list of your information once of a series of questions. For each list possible source of answers, they follow this up for each source, list what you found. Convergent techniques again include identifying hotspots, mind mapping, and to sort the classifies the lines of information, reach your understanding of it. So, the third one is a problem solving. Problem finding. Convert a few statements of a problem into a broad statement more suitable for the idea finding. So, divergent techniques include asking why each other and repeatable questions and 5 motong WH. Convergent techniques include highlights again with information and problem statement to meet the criteria that they found only the problem and no criteria and selections their most promising statement. That the activity gives the participants can be as important as actual statement elements. 4 is idea finding. Stage 4, idea finding. Generate as many ideas as possible. So, divergent using a very wide range of idea generating techniques. The general rules of classical brainstorming, such as defining judgment, are like an independent of this. Convergent can again involve hotspots or mind mapping. The convergence of different ideas and a short listings of the most promising harmful, perhaps with someone to for more obvious evaluation criteria, but not overcome strictly. So, ideas finding, for example, nagkanda ka ng research. So, by that research, so you need to reading a books, kung mag-read ka books or mag-search with that kanang words, you kanang imo siyang ma-unlock with that words by reading a book kanang maka-gain kag knowledge to mao din ni siya mo na ni DI mo na siya mo ma-apply nimo siya in the way of communication, writing, and or in news or in a novel. Fifth, the stage 5 is solution finding. Generating and selecting obvious evaluations criteria using expansions construction cycle, which may include combining the short fields or idea from ideal finding as much as you can. The light of those criteria that adapt for the best of this improved idea. The last one is the acceptance finding. Acceptance finding how can suggestions you have just selected by way of standard and put into practice. Shown negatively and you continue to apply different judgment from our actions, plan, or better development in a small group. Or 2 to 3 rather than a large group, unless you particularly once committed by a full group. Particularly for people, problem techniques include 5 WH. Implementation, checklist, consensus, mapping, potential problem analysis. So, acceptance finding is a concept related to psychology and personal development that involves acknowledging and embracing one's thought, emotional, and experience without judgment. So for example, kanang in this stages, you may undergo from stages Japon, which is the non-judgment awareness, embracing experience, psychological. So you need to accept what kanang unsa jud ang usa ka butang nga imuhang come up with forever kanang kuan ba siya kanang challenges, kanang issues nga imuhang you need to accept that is nga mao na gina siya. And that's all. Thank you.